Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Today we're going to talk about conjugating verbs in Spanish. Today's focus is conjugating regular verbs in Spanish in the present tense. Now, what is a verb? A word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence. In Spanish, all regular verbs end with suffixes er, ar, or ir. Examples would be comer, bailar, escribir, which mean to eat, to dance, and to write. In Spanish, verbs must be conjugated in order to match the subject pronoun being spoken of. This means keeping the stem of the word and changing the suffixes. This is different from English, where the verbs are not conjugated based on the subject pronoun. Now, conjugating verbs in Spanish is all about focusing on the subject pronoun the verb is referring to. It is important to know the difference between I, you, he, she, we, and they, which translate to yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Pause the video and take a moment to go over this chart. Once you've mastered identifying the different subject pronouns, you can identify the verb that needs to be conjugated. This chart shows how we conjugate ER verbs. Pause and look it over. This chart shows how we conjugate AR verbs. Pause and look it over. This chart shows how we conjugate IR verbs. Pause and look it over. Now, pause the video and try thinking of the conjugations for the following words, keeping in mind that they all have different suffixes. Okay, let's see how well you did. Beber with the stem as beb conjugates to yo bebo, tú bebes, él, ella, usted bebe, nosotros bebemos, vosotros bebéis, ellos, ellas, ustedes beben. Cocinar with the stem as cocin conjugates to yo cocino, tú cocinas, él, ella, usted cocina, nosotros cocinamos, vosotros cocináis, ellos, ellas, ustedes cocinan. And vivir with the stem as viv conjugates to yo vivo, tú vives, él, ella, usted vive, nosotros vivimos, vosotros vivís, ellos, ellas, ustedes viven. Hopefully the lesson is a little clearer now, but if not, we will definitely go over all of this a lot more tomorrow during class. Come in with thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns regarding this unit, and be ready to work in stations doing activities that will help enforce this concept of verb conjugations. See you tomorrow, class. Nos vemos!